I just want to advise the House that the Holy Book says, for everything you do to others, expect it to be done to you. For everything you do to others, expect it to be done to you. If you feel it's happy and fair, then it is good. And this constitution, like Ichungwa said without referring to it, the centrality of this new constitution is equity, fairness, and justice. And for all of you who have been given the privilege to serve in committees, you are public trustees. You don't represent yourselves. You represent the country. Because if members of a committee of privilege only work for themselves, how will a member who serves on the library committee ever do anything for their constituencies? So I want to encourage you, and majority and minority leader, please exercise your duties to ensure that this democratically elected House discharges its duties and responsibilities to the satisfaction of every Kenyan in every part of the country. That a person in Mandera, a person in Vanga, a person in Lokitang, a person in Malaba does not sit in this House to get fairness, because we all have a duty to discharge fairly. So Mboko Milemba, thank you for bringing that point. And majority minority leader, as you have assured the House, move and correct that anomaly so that we have fairness. Those serving in the Finance Committee, you know, I sit in my office and almost everybody wants to serve on that committee. Now I understand why. The Budget Committee, sorry. Everybody wants to serve on the Budget Committee. Now I fully understand why. Budget Committee. Not Finance, Budget. So those who serve in the Budget Committee, you are the trustees of public good. So as everybody else. Whether it's transport, whether it's energy. I get a lot of information. I just encourage you. Many of you are doing your second term, first term, a few doing third term. If you have to live longer, be fair, be just, and be equitable in everything you do. Thank you. Farah Malim, yes, who is calling the speaker? Donya, on the same issue? That one is closed. What is it?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. You've guided us that now that our leaders have spoken, it's good to always give the people's leaders to echo the points. Sometimes they can miss something, Honorable Speaker, because they don't carry our heads. Thank you. We echo what they say.
Thank you, Honorable Donya. That is why they are leaders. They carry your interests at all times.